Hello guys, yes, I'm here with another video. So in this video, it's a yummy, strong detox fat burners. Yes, like this will flush out waste, bed fat, and glow you naturally. Like I love this water juice because it's not only gonna clean your system, flush out all the waste, all the bed fat, but it's also gonna keep you full because we're consuming not only water juice but we also consuming the fruit, so it's very powerful. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Just keep on watching and see how I come up with this detox yummy juice. Without further ado, let's jump to the video. Alright guys, like I always said, health is wealth. So you have to take care of yourself now before it's too late. This water juice is absolutely very strong detox drink that you can have. So you can see our first ingredient is cucumber. Cucumber, it's very alkaline, so it's gonna clean your system. So I'm just gonna let you watch what I'm doing. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video with friends and family so we all can stay healthy. Yes. I came out with this drink, you follow all the steps the way I did it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add water. So water is really based on the amount of fruits that you're putting in a glass. So yes, you go ahead and put your glass and you enjoy your drink. So right now I'm adding the orange because I'm adding the orange first, and then I'll go ahead and add my water. So this drink, like I said, is life changer. You will feel it by yourself, like drinking this every morning, and it keeps you full through the day. Like when you full, you don't feel like eating anything at all, right? So that's the main goal. That's how you're gonna lose weight. And on top of that, it's gonna clean your system, it's gonna detox your system. So we need this kind of drink. Replace your, your sugary drink with this, because this is so healthy and we need to have a good habit. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please share with friends and family so we all can stay healthy and maintain our healthy life. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye bye.